Everybody knows Michael Jordan as the GOAT, the greatest of all time. But do you know how his story began? Not with winning, not with trophies, but with failure. Hi, I'm Lenzio, and I love telling stories about heroes, legends, and amazing journeys. Come join me in Lenzo Stories, where big dreams come alive through little eyes. When he was just 15, Jordan tried out for his high school basketball team. He was too short, too skinny, not good enough. And guess what? He got cut. His name wasn't on the list. That night, he locked himself in the room and cried. But the next morning, he made a choice. He wouldn't quit. He would work harder than anyone else. That choice changed everything. From that day on, Jordan lived in the gym. He woke up early, stayed late, shot hundreds of basketball every day, while other kids play. Jordan practiced. His friends thought he was crazy. But crazy work makes crazy results. By the time he finished high school, Jordan has grown taller, stronger, and way more skilled. College came calling. He chose the University of North Carolina. And as a freshman, in 1982, Jordan hit the game-winning shot in the NCAA championship game. The world got its first taste of Michael Jordan magic. In 1984, Jordan entered the NBA. Right away, he was different. He ran faster, jumped higher, and played every game like it was his last one. Fans loved him. His dunks made crowds go wild. People said it looks like he's flying. That's when the nickname stuck, Air Jordan. In just his rookie year, he was already an all-star. The league has a new superstar. But even Michael Jordan couldn't win everything. For years, his Bulls kept losing to the same team, the Detroit Pistons. They knocked him down, beat him up, and broke his heart. Some players would give up. Not Jordan. He lifted more weights, trained harder, and came back stronger. And finally, in 1991, Jordan and the Bulls broke through. They beat the Pistons. They won their first NBA championship. And once they started winning, they did not stop. 1991, 1992, 1993, 3 championships in a row. Jordan was unstoppable. He was the face of the NBA, the hero of Chicago, and an idol all around the world. But then, tragedy hit. In 1993, Jordan's father, James Jordan, was murdered. Heartbroken, Jordan shocked the world. He retired from basketball to play baseball, the sport his dad always loved. For almost 2 years, Jordan chased baseball. But in 1995, he returned to the NBA with just 2 simple words: I'm back. At first, he wasn't the same. The Bulls lost in the playoffs. People started doubting him. But Jordan doesn't stay down for long. The very next season, he led the Bulls to a 72-10 record, the best in the NBA history at the time. and then another championship. In fact, 3 more. 1996, 1997, 1998, another 3-peat. Game 6, 1998, NBA Finals, the Bulls against the Utah Jazz. Time running out, the score tied. Jordan takes the ball. He drives, crossover, pulls up for the jump, swish. That was his final shot as a Chicago Bull. A perfect ending to a perfect career. 6 championship, 2 3-peats, immortality. Jordan retired again. He even came back once more with the Washington Wizards. But no matter what, his legend was already secure. 6 rings, 5 MVPs, 14 All-Stars. But more than numbers, Jordan gave the world belief. Belief that if you work hard, if you never quit, you can fly. Kobe Bryant looked up to him. LeBron James looks up to him. Every kid who picks up a basketball still dreams of being like Mike. Remember this. Michael Jordan, the greatest ever, once got cut from his high school team. He cried, he failed, he fell, but he refused to quit. He turned failure into fire, and fire into greatness. So the next time you fail, the next time you feel small, think of Michael Jordan. And remember, even legends start with failure. If you like this story, don't forget to hit subscribe and join me for more. And I will see you in the next adventure.